If your business changes after you've been using QuickBooks, you can update your company information easily. This is useful if you change your type of business, such as moving from a sole proprietorship to a corporation, or if you change office locations. To change your information, click Company from the top menu and choose My Company. Here's where you can see the current information you have stored about your company. You can also see the product name that you're activated for, what the license number is, and how many seats you have active. To change any actual company information, click the pencil on the top right-hand side. This is going to open up a dialog box. You can change or update information and add additional things, such as a website. You can move through all the tabs on the left-hand side to change all sorts of things. For example, you can add an employer identification number. You can change the tax form that you're using for QuickBooks, such as from a sole proprietorship to a corporation. And you can change the payroll tax form information. We'll be going over payroll in a later video. When you're all done updating your information, click the blue OK button. You'll see your changes update immediately, and you can close out of this by clicking the X.